Chemical ionization. Chemical ionization is second very important method of ionization for ionizing sample in mass spectrometry. Chemical ionization is called soft source of ionization. Why soft source of ionization? Because this method of ionization transfer minimum energy to the sample and sample just ionized through a chemical reaction. Means sample is not directly ionized, sample is ionized through a chemical reaction. So this method is called chemical ionization. Now how it is performed? In this method, instead of only sample, reagent gas is also used. Okay? This reagent gas may be methane, ammonia or isobutane. I mean, any one of these gas can be used, and one part of sample, it is mixed with 1000 to 10,000 parts of reagent gas. I mean 1000 to 10,000 part of reagent gas, it is mixed with one part of sample. I mean maximum part is of reagent gas. Then this mixture of sample and reagent gas, it is introduced into ionization chamber. Now inside ionization chamber, when electrons are bombarded, then maximum chances are there that reagent gas will ionize. So ionization of reagent gas occur as reagent gas is present almost 1000 to 10,000 parts higher than sample. So reagent gas ionize first with electron impact. When reagent gas got ionized, this reagent gas then indirectly ionize other reagent gas molecules and then also ionize sample. Say first it ionize other reagent molecules. So these two species are mostly formed CH4 cation radical. This plus sign shows cation and dot show radical. Cation radical and CH3 cation, they are mostly formed. Say CH4 cation radical, it combined with other methane molecule and as a result this species is formed CH5. This is formed along with one radical CH3 radical, and CH3 cation, it combined with other CH4 methane molecule and produce C2H5 cation and hydrogen. Now these two species C2H5 and CH5, they will chemically ionize our sample. Now these two species will react chemically with our sample molecule and ionize this through chemical reaction. Without direct interaction of electron, these two species will ionize our sample through chemical reaction. How? So M is our sample molecule. CH5 combined with M. Now there are two possibilities. Our sample molecule can take hydrogen, one hydrogen from sample, or it can give one hydrogen to the sample. Now it depends, either our sample is saturated or unsaturated. If it is saturated molecule, then it can easily give proton, I mean it easily give hydrogen. Then it will give hydrogen. But if it is unsaturated, then it accept hydrogen from this CH5. So first case we discussed that it accept hydrogen. So we will write it M plus 1. This 1 is due to one hydrogen which is donated by this CH5. Due to addition of one hydrogen, it become M plus 1 and it got positive charge as deficient hydrogen is coming here and remaining is CH5. Second possibility is that our molecule give one hydrogen to this CH5. If hydrogen is donated, then we will show it M minus 1. Mean molecular mass of combined our molecule, it is reduced by 1 as one hydrogen is removed here. So it is M minus 1. Sample got positive charge and CH4 and hydrogen is also formed as side product. Second possibility is ionization with the second species C2H5. Again it can combine with our sample in two ways. First, it can give hydrogen to our sample molecule, then it become M plus 1 and ion is formed along with C2H4. See, it was C2H5, one hydrogen is donated to the sample, remaining is C2H4. Or it can take hydrogen from sample. Okay, if it take hydrogen from sample, then remaining is M minus 1 charge and we got C2H6. Now in this case, in mass spectrum here, On x-axis there is mass to charge ratio, and on y-axis relative abundance. Now molecular ion peak will not be at the position where exact molecular ion mass is there. Say it's M is molecular ion mass and we expect its mass is 30. Say our molecular ion have 30 mass. Now we will not got peak at 30. We will got peak at position one higher or one lower. Mean peak will be obtained either at 31 or at 29. Mean it is either at 31 or at 29 because of either addition of one hydrogen or subtraction of one hydrogen. So in case of chemical ionization, molecular ion peak, it is obtained either at one higher or one lower than exact molecular mass of the compound. But this chemical ionization, it is applied mostly when we are interested in only molecular mass determination and we want maximum molecular ion, no fragmentation is required. Mean we want to avoid fragmentation, we need maximum molecular ion, then we use this chemical ionization method which is called soft source, because it will only ionize sample, it will not perform fragmentation. So it is called soft source of ionization.